Hello students, in this video we'll discuss some more problems based on this topic. Let's start. In this case, it says that question says that a circular road rounds a circular ground. Means what? There is a circular ground and a circular road rounds the ground. This is the ground having the radius, small radius. This is the road having the capital radius, capital R and small r. Question says that if difference between the circumference of the outer circle and inner circle is this, find the width of the road. Difference between circumference of the outer circle and inner circle is 66 meter. Means what? Suppose P2 minus P1 equals to 66 meter. So what is the P2? As if we suppose this R is the radius of the bigger circle, so what we can write? We can write 2 pi capital R minus 2 pi small r, and this one is given to us 66. If we take 2 pi common, what we have? R minus R equals to 66, and this R minus small r, it's a 66 divided by 2 into, change the value of this one, 6 11, 2 2 3 it's a 21 upon 2, and this is your R minus R. What does this signifies? This signifies R minus R. This signifies the width of the road, R minus R. So this is this centimeter. Clear? Sorry, this meter, not centimeter, it's meter. Clear? Hope this one is concept is clear to you. Now move to the next question. Now we have another question. It's a question about two concentric circle. Remember, if question is about two concentric circle, you must draw the figure very carefully so that you can easily try to solve it. I am giving you some concept by solving this question, and rest of the question you must try by your own. Hint I may provide if you ask me. In this question it says that the area enclosed between the circumference of two concentric circle is 16 pi centimeter square. First draw the diagram. There is a one circle with this center, and there is another circle with this center. Suppose they are having radius small r and this is your capital R. Area between these two circles means this part. The area enclosed between the circumference of two concentric circles is 16 pi centimeter square. This is your 16 pi centimeter square. This is the area. And their radius are in ratio 5:3. Means what? Small r ratio, sorry, capital R, it's this one. So from here we can write down this one. Now it says that what is the area of the outer circle? Question says that find the area of this outer circle. Use, and here strictly it says that use pi equals to 3.14. So how we solve this one? As we know, the area enclosed between these two are, from this we can easily write down that pi capital R square minus pi small r square equals to 16 pi. Clear? And we also know that relationship between this R and this R is this one. Means from here we can express each R by using anything. So we take pi common. It's R square minus small r square equals to 16 pi. Pi cancels each other. Now here we have r square minus r square. So r square as it is, but in place of small r, we can write down 3r 3 upon 5 capital R square equals to 16. Now when you solve this one, you have the value of capital R. So R square minus 3 and 5, it's a 9 R square upon 25 equals to 16. It's a 25 R square minus 9 R square upon 25 equals to 16. Now wait. See here, it's a 16 r square by 25 equals to 16. R square equals to 16 into 25 upon 16. Cancels each other. So R equals to 5 centimeter or meter, whatever it is, centimeter. So area of enclosed by outer circle, it's a pi r square, it's a 3.14 into r square, we have 25. When you multiply 25 4 is 100, 10 carry, 25 1 25 plus 10, 35, 3 carry. Now we have decimal, 25 3 is 75, 75 and 378 centimeter square. Hope this one is clear to you. Move to the next part. If you think that there is any calculative error, you must write down in a given in your comment. Sorry. This is very interesting question. In this question, it says that there is a circle enclosed in a square. Clear? Enclosed in a square, and the largest circle is the circle which touches the sides of the square. Means what? The diameter of the circle D is equal to the side of the square. D equals to x. Question says that find the area of the largest circle enclosed in a side of a square of 28 centimeter. So in this case we have diameter equals to 28 centimeter. Question asked to you area. So here we can write down 2r equals to 28 or r equals to 14 centimeter. So area equals to pi r square, it's a 22 upon 7, 7 into 7, sorry, it's a 14 into 14, 7 2s, we can multiply, we have the answer. I am not going to multiply by yourself. So move to the next question. This shows that find the area of the shaded portion of the given figure. The next question says that find the area of the shaded portion of the given figure. What is the figure? See the figure very carefully. This is the shaded part. Now, this is the shaded part. And in this figure, it is given that this is your circle with diameter OC and this is a semicircle with diameter AB. In question it is given to you that half of the diameter OA is 7 centimeter. Means radius of this semicircle is 7 centimeter and diameter of this circle is 7 centimeter. Question says that find out the area, shaded area. So if you observe, first you have to find out the area of semicircle, then find out the area of circle, and we subtract these two, we have the answer. So first let's start in case of semicircle. Radius is given, it's 7 centimeter. So area of semicircle, it's a pi r squared by 2. It's a 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 2 into 7 into 7. It's a 77 centimeter square. This is about area of semicircle. What is about circle? What about circle? In case of circle, diameter is given, it's a 7 centimeter. So radius is 7 upon 2 centimeter. So area is pi r square. In this case, 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 7 cancels each other. So what we have? Yes, 11 each other, 77 upon 2 centimeter square. So shaded area, equals to this 77 minus 77 upon 2, it's a 77 upon 2 centimeter square. Hope this one is clear to you. And I'm going to move to the last question of this video, and you have to complete your exercise 36 by yourself. One question is not discussed by me, that is a question of gear. That is for yourself. I am not giving you the single hint for that question. In this question it says that there is a square piece of paper or sheet, whatever it is. This type of question, there is a square piece of paper or sheets given to you, and question says that four equal size circles are cut from the sheet likewise. Clear? Remember that the largest circle we can cut so that we have a common diameter, a common radius. In this case, area of a square is given to you. It's a 784. In this case, unit is centimeter square. Clear? So side equals to, as we know, that under root of 784. Find out the root of 784 by yourself. Yes. Hope you say, sir, क्या आप पूछ रहे हैं? तो अभी कैलकुलेटर निकाल लेंगे. Yes, you can find out by calculator. So here it's a 28 centimeter. Now this is very important thing. Why? Because as we know that circles circumference touches each other as well as touches the boundary of the square. So what is the relationship between diameter and side? This diameter plus this diameter is equals to 28. Means individual diameter is equals to 14. Even in this case also 14 and 14. So diameter of circle equals to 14. Then question says that what is the circumference of each plate? circumference equals to 2 pi r, where 2r is 14, into 22 upon 7, 44 centimeter square. This is the answer. So hope you can easily understand this one. Try to solve all the questions by yourself in a copy. That's all for this video. Thank you.